Hey, what is up, guys? Today I am going to show you how to put any ringtone or tone on your iPod, same thing, or iPhone or iPad, any of those devices, maybe an Apple device, any other. If there is any, it works for any type and generation, I believe. Now if you like this, well, let's just head right into it. First, what you're gonna want to do, I'm not gonna do this firsthand, but you're gonna go to YouTube. You're gonna pick any video out, you're gonna copy the link, and you're gonna go to a website called Click Converter. You're gonna copy the link. Remember, you're gonna go to YouTube, get your video, copy the link. This is a ringtone free, though you do have to pay 99 cents for something, and I'll get right to that. But wait. This is, do not get out, please. This will work, and it's less money for more tones, though you do have to pay, and I don't even know. But so you paste it into here. I got this 6-second long video. Actually, yeah. Okay, you go to MP3 and you click start. It's gonna be really fast. Sorry guys that I haven't been making many videos. Depends on how long the video is, to take the conversion time. But guys, I'm sorry I haven't been making videos. I will not be making videos very recently, but I'll try to do it occasionally. Or like, well, I don't know what I just said there, but close the ad. And I don't know what I just said there, but I'll try to make them as soon as every chance that I get. No, cancel. Remove from list. Okay. Send order. I'm gonna get that. Of course, I am going to. That's how you get your first thing. Okay. So you should drag the dramatic gopher or wherever you want out to your desktop. Then you should go to iTunes, and you should have your Apple device plugged in. It is popping up. Wait, this was what I tried to do earlier. Let me actually delete this. Delete songs. Now you drag dramatic gopher into here. Yeah, same thing though. And when this is done, you right click this and you go to create ACC version, I believe. Wait, you should be able to create AAC version actually. It's the one on the bottom, so you just want to delete the one on the top. Delete song. Now you should have your ACC version, and you should be able to right click it, get info, go to options, and you could always check these two boxes, and then you put like the point of video that you want to start and you want to end, so like that a video, and or you could just keep it the same if it's not that long. The video has to be under 30 seconds, I believe. So what you're gonna want to do is this one. You're gonna have to right click it, show in Windows Explorer. You do not change it to M4R. That's a mistake that people do. And of course you get it out of there. I think actually, you know what? Actually, forget all those steps. Just put this in. Actually, let me delete this. All you gotta do is you gotta put dramatic gopher in. You click this little button, add to, and then your device. And then you should go to your device, click music, and you click check in when you want, and you wait for that to synchronize. And then you go on this, you have your dramatic gopher. Now what you're gonna want to get, you have that song, check on your Apple device if you have it, you know. You want to go to search ringtones. Now this app does cost 99 cents, And please don't exit out of the video. This is easy. It's just 99 cents. It's not a big deal actually, if you really think about it. I had a problem with this like a long time ago. I'm gonna click see all, and it's gonna be this one, Ringtone Designer Pro. And then I have that downloaded. It's already on my iPod, but after you get that, now listen to me carefully because I don't have a webcam to show this. You open up your thing, you press in your password, you go to music. Actually, you go to your app first, ringtone, tap. It will say tap to select a song you'd like to use for a ringtone. You tap it, then you go to songs, and then you press the one you want, and then you click ringtone, and then you press play. Whatever. Well, you do it whichever way you want. It does have a limit though, but it depends on how long your video is. So. Well, anyways, you make it that, and you click your ringtone is now available, and you click OK. Get out of the app. Okay. Go back to the library. Go to iPod, or iPad or iPhone. Then you go to apps. Now what you should have down here is you should scroll all the way down and you have apps. You should have ringtones in one of these. Click it. The one that says today, sorry, this one was earlier. Dramatic Gopher. You just click that and drag it out, and you should have that. These are not needed, but this one, the M4R or whatever, you should have it, and then you just click done, and you just drag it into here, and then you wait, and then go to iPod or iPad or iPhone, and then you should have this tab here, tones, and then you should in tones you should select the dramatic one, or not, like the tone you have, and then you click apply, and then you should be able to open up your Apple device. Once you put it in there, check the box and then synchronize it, you should be able to go to settings. I don't have it though, but I do have my Delirious one. Go to sounds, go to your tones, whatever ringtone you want for the app or whatever. You enter the one that is under the column ringtones. So you click it, and here's mine. I hope it doesn't surprise you very much, and then you should be able to hear it. Well, anyways, guys, that was how to put on any like song into a ringtone. How to turn any song into a ringtone. And you could skip all that stuff if you have your own song, though you could just change it to ACC version and stuff, and make it the way you want it. But and then continue from there. But yeah, guys, that is how you put your own ringtone. Sorry that you have to pay $1, but it's $1. Like, it's not that much though to pay for an app. 99 cents, not even a buck. Close though, 1 penny. But yeah, guys, that is how you put on any tone onto your iPod, iPhone, or iPad. Doesn't matter. It will work. Trust me, it does. And yes, this is a known version. If the other version is too hard for you, it is for me. So I created this new way. Well, I didn't create it. Like, I used an app and I figured it out. yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, hopefully. And yeah, have a great day. Hacker out. Peace.